Welcome to Bookkeeping and Tax Readiness class, an online class that will teach you how you can know your business profits, manage documents, and better organize your business finances. In this video lesson on CAC Business Registration Nigeria Shola Room 247, you will be looking at key records that every business owner must have. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand and know the records that every business owner needs to have. Let's go straight into it. The key records every business owner must keep are of different records, and everything will be taken note of in this video, so make sure you watch till the very end. Number one record is sales or income record. A sales or income record is a record that shows and display all the money that is earned by a particular business. Examples are cash sales, bank records or transfers, or credit sales. These are sales record. Why it is important? It is important to take note of sales record because it helps you to know your total revenue, helps calculate profit, and prevent underpricing and income leakage. The second one is expenses record. Expenses record is the kind of record that shows all the money spent while running the business. Examples are rent, electricity, transportation, inventory purchase of whatsoever that you buy. It is under expenses record. Now, why is it important? It is important because it helps control unnecessary spending and helps identify high cost areas. It also ensures correct profit calculations. Number 3, cash and bank records. These are the kind of records that shows how money moves in and out of your business account. Examples are cash payments, bank deposits, bank transfers, POS settlements, and so on. Why it is important is because it helps avoid cash shortage and also helps to detect missing money. Another reason why it's important is that it ensures correct bank balance. So with your cash and bank records, your balance will always be correct. That takes us to the next one, which is number 4. Number 4 is customer records. Customer records is the kind of records that shows people that are owing your business some amount of money. Examples are credit customers or part payment customers. Why it is important is because it gives you room to do follow-up for unpaid sales and improve cash flow. It also prevents forgotten debts. The next one is supplier or vendor records. This kind of record shows people your business owns some amount of money. Once you have your supplier records, it will display those that you yourself as a business owner or as your own business entity that you are owing some amount of money. And examples are suppliers, service providers, utility companies, and so on and so forth. Why is it important? It is important because it helps to manage due payments and maintain good relationship with suppliers. It also prevents late payment penalties. And the number 6 is asset records. Asset record is that kind of record that shows what the business owns. Examples include equipment, vehicles, office fittings, and so on and so forth. Why is it important? It is important because it helps to track business value. It also prevents misuse and loss of assets. And it's useful for insurance and reporting. Before we move to the last one, if you have watched this video to this extent and you are yet to like, kindly smash on that like button and also subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification so as to get notified each time I drop new videos. Let's proceed. The next one is tax records. Tax record shows tax charged, collected, and paid. I said earlier that if you are selling goods or services that is vatable and you want to be charging VAT, you can charge the VAT, just as I explained earlier, that you are going to be needing to be certified to be able to collect the VAT for those products. Once you have your VAT certificate, you are good to go to impute tax charges on the product or services you are selling, and at the end of the month you are going to remit it to the government. So if you fall under the category of those kind of business that charges VAT, feel free to reach out to me so as to put you through on how you need to get your VAT certificate that will make you to be able to collect the VAT, because without a VAT certificate you are not licensed, you are not expected to charge VAT on any products or services. So in the next video I will explain in details those goods and services and those kind of operations that fall under the category of collecting the VAT charge. So make sure you watch the next video. As we proceed in this training, we will learn how to add VAT to each of our products. Examples include the VAT, the payee, and withholding tax. Why it is important? It is important because it helps with tax compliance, avoid penalty and fines, and make tax filing easier for every business owners. Welcome once again. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Sholadrem 247. I will see you in the next video. Let's proceed.